Hi, my name is Lauren Calta, and I'm a partner at Zervos and Calta, and we're going to be talking today about who pays my medical bills after a car accident. So if you've been in a car accident and you sustained injuries, you've been hurt as a result of that car accident, Florida law specifically provides that your own insurance company, through a coverage called no-fault insurance or PIP insurance, we call it's personal injury protection, we call it PIP insurance, they pay 80% of your medical bills up to $10,000. And it doesn't matter who's at fault for the accident. If you and I are in an accident, I could have rear-ended you. If we're in the same accident, you could have rear-ended me. We're both hurt. We each go to our own insurance companies and submit our medical bills to each of our own insurance companies through the PIP or no-fault coverage. And 80% of those bills will be paid up to normally $10,000. The other 20% can be paid either A, through health insurance if you have it, or if the other driver, the at-fault driver, has what's called bodily injury liability insurance, then we submit those bills to them after you finish treating at a point where the doctors say, we've tried to get you at 100%, but we fixed you as best we could. And then they pay the other 20% through the bodily injury liability coverage. But I will warn you that not everybody has bodily injury coverage. Most drivers on the road do not, because it's not a required coverage to get on the road. So if you're involved in an accident, someone is at fault for causing the accident, say you're rear-ended, and you sustain injuries, and we go to the person's insurance company that rear-ended you, and they don't have bodily injury liability insurance, you might ask, what happens with my other 20%? I don't have health insurance, and I can't afford to pay it, and now the other driver doesn't have bodily injury coverage. That's why we tell everyone who listens to us, anyone who calls, anyone that comes in for a consultation, people in the street that just have a question, we tell them, get as much uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage as you could possibly afford. It's also called coverage. So if you call up, say, State Farm or Liberty Mutual or Allstate, and you're asking for quotes, ask them how much uninsured motorist coverage is, because that steps into the shoes of the person that hit you if either they don't have bodily injury coverage or they don't have enough bodily injury coverage. And then we could pursue your claim for the other 20%, and if the doctors couldn't fix you at 100%, pain and suffering damages. So uninsured motorist coverage is the way to go. Get it if you can afford it on your policy. It'll cover anything above and beyond your own PIP or no-fault insurance won't cover, because you may have exhausted the limits of the $10,000. Keep all your receipts, keep all your medical records, keep all your pharmacy records, keep your prescriptions. This way you can properly document your claim. So if you have any questions about what we talked about today, or if you have any questions in general, whether it be about what type of coverage you should have on your car insurance, or you've been involved in an accident and you don't know what to do, or you don't know what type of doctor to see, please feel free to reach out to us at 727-937-3171, and we'd be more than happy to take your call.